In front of me is Google Pixel 5a, and today I would like to show you how you can use App Permission Manager on this device. Begin by opening Settings. Then you need to scroll down and click on Security and Privacy. Now scroll down again. Click on Privacy over here and select Permission Manager. Finally, click on one of those options, in my case, maybe Music and Audio, and tap on an app. I will go with Chrome. Then click on one of those options, Allow or Don't Allow. I will go with Allow, so when I go back, as you can see, Chrome just gained access to my music and audio. If you want to, you can always go back, pick any feature and look for an app that you are interested in. I will go with Camera in order to access my messages. Now click on See All Messages Permissions at the bottom and manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!